Welcome to episode 12 of Drink Better at Home in association with Drinkaware Ireland. I'm in the bar today and I'm joined by a guest, Gerry, the King of Kefir. Can you tell me a little bit about your products?
Yeah, thanks very much, Vaughan. Delighted to be here. We have 4 in the range. We've developed them around the corner in an old chocolate factory building where we built a small kefir brewery. Water kefir is a complex mixture of symbiotic cultures of bacteria and yeast that we use to gobble up the sugars in the drink. The fascinating thing about them is they also are complementary to your gut health, so they sit well with what's inside your microbiome already.
So they're healthy products for my gut?
Yes. Yeah.
Great.
So rather than using a single variety yeast to brew a beer or a wine, we're using a complex symbiotic culture of more than 30 bacteria and yeast to brew the drinks. But we use low sugar ingredients. So we're ending up with a fermented non-alcoholic, and we end up with very low calories as well.
Great. So tell me about the calories within each one.
Yeah, so the lemongrass and ginger is less than 10 calories per bottle. The same as the chili and ginger. The cucumber, mint and thyme with spearmint and peppermint mix in it is less than 7, and the hop culture is by far the lowest at less than 2 per bottle, 2 calories a bottle.
Okay, so this is your latest product?
Yeah, hop culture.
Okay,
so I love my craft beers. I love hobby craft beers. I love what they offer. I wanted to do something that's not a beer, but is also as interesting in regards to the hop profile and flavors. So we chose and refined, with the help of Anna from the Virgin Mary Bar, 3 different hops: Amarillo, Citra, and Mosaic. So they're all the aromatic hops, and they offer sort of citrus and fruit notes. Some pick up elderflower off the nose as well. It's very dry because it's fermented out fully, and
there you go. So I'm getting that citrus on the nose, and a little bit of sweetness, maybe just that fruity sweetness that you kind of get when you smell fruit, but not sweet in terms of the whole. It's quite dry even on the nose. Wow. So it's like a super dry product.
Yeah.
In terms of on the palate, but it has that lovely kind of refreshing mouthfeel to it. It's a really, be a really good summer drink and a healthy summer drink. We're going to be using one of Gerry's products, the cucumber, mint and thyme, in something new that we are launching next week, so keep an eye on our social media for that. And Anna is going to be making a cocktail with one of the products on Friday, so look out for that this Friday.